Hi everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 11th of May and right now I'm at the Aguada jail. Okay, not the fort but the jail. Okay, so actually this is the second video of the day, and in the morning I had visited the Sikerin beach and the Devil's Finger cave. I've made a separate video for that, and a separate video I'm making for this jail. Okay, so I'm already here at this jail, and I have already purchased the ticket. So being a local, the ticket for me was only 100 rupees, but for tourists the ticket is like 200 rupees per person and 100 rupees for the entry, like the parking, four-wheeler parking. Okay, so we've done all that, purchased a ticket here with the ticket, and when you purchase a ticket you'll get such a band. Okay, so I am just at the entrance right now. Okay, so let's go and start exploring this jail. And it's my first time actually visiting this jail. I have visited the fort but not the jail. So let's go and explore. So this is the entrance of the fort, and when you enter, they have put up this small board, information board. So you can just stop and read. Okay, and this is the whole view that you get once you enter. And right at the entrance there is a small cafe also. तो एंट्रेंस पे जो है, एंट्रेंस के ठीक सामने जो है ये भारत माता का स्टेचू बना है, एंड यहाँ पे जय हिंद लिखा है. एंड ये जो साइड में जो QR कोड दिया हुआ है, आप अगर उसको स्कैन करोगे देन यू विल गेट द ऑडियो गाइड ऑफ दिस होल प्लेस. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट. ठीक है, तो चलिए अब चलते हैं. So inside this jail museum, like they have lot of food options. Like at the entrance there was a cafe. Now here you see there is this food truck also, and they also have like this proper sitting area right besides it. So it's a good thing. Usually what happens is you find difficult to find food options in the museum. So we'll check that out later. Let's go and have a look at the museum first.
Reflecting the cultural kaleidoscope of a diverse nation. It stands testament to the wisdom, culture, and human experience that has evolved through millennia. From Vedas to epics, from philosophical treatises to dramas, Indian literature spans a vast spectrum. Sanskrit espoused the Indian cultural identity as it spread to faraway regions like Myanmar, Cambodia, Indonesia, and Thailand. Sanskrit manuscripts have also been found in Afghanistan, Mongolia, and Turkmenistan. Indian literature is not limited to Sanskrit. It also includes regional languages that grew over a period along with local dialects. This treasure is mostly unexplored. The exhibition on Indian manuscripts, which is currently on, is just the tip of the iceberg which the Indian literature truly is. Compositions such as Ramayana, Mahabharata, Raghuvansha, and and Shakuntala Natak are but a few that stand out as illustrious symbols of our heritage. Ramcharitmanas was originally penned in Awadhi, a Hindi dialect, by Tulsidas. Shakuntala Natak is an illustrated drama in Awadhi based on Kalidasa's Abhigyan Shakuntala that narrates the tale of love between.
So I just visited the Custom House Gallery and it was like really nice. And there was one more gallery, Warehouse Gallery. It's showed things about fashion I'm not interested in, so I did not see that. But now I'm going to check out the other part. So let's go. So here is the entry of the main jail. So like this place, the Aguada jail, has been recently opened for the tourists. Till now it was as a central jail, and prisoners who were like related to narcotics dealings and all, they were kept here. But now it has been opened for tourists and there are no prisoners or anything. So let's go and check this out now. They have not done whom they have made the personality. Maybe he was one of the freedom fighters in the Vijay operation. So this man's cell is open. So let's go inside. Oh, just this much. This much used to be the jail cell. So there were different cells for those who were sentenced to life, like who had a death sentence. But I can't go because maintenance work is going on. So in the premise of the jail, there is also this chapel, Our Lady of Good Voyage. Here is the chapel from inside. I don't think prayers take place here, and it is just kept as for people to see. Okay. So this is the chapel. And then rest, there are all other jail cells till the end. That is the end. That wall marks the end of the jail. And over there on top, which you will see the fort line, that is the Aguada fort. So there are such museum like different things they show inside. So let's go and check this out. This has the Aguada Interactive Museum Goa, The Struggle. So I just checked out the jail cells and those things about something about the past. Okay, and so basically the heritage block is where the jail and all is there, and the church and all. So there are actually two floors, one the ground floor and the other first floor. I could just see the first floor, the ground floor, not the first floor. Okay, so I just showed you all what I saw a little bit. Yeah. And now I have come out of the heritage block and I'm going back towards the entrance. Okay, so what I noticed, one thing is that if people are coming here, they are not actually going inside and seeing the things. They're just coming here outside and just clicking pictures and going back. So I don't understand the point of coming if you don't want to know about the place. Well, anyway, the spot is actually good, so people don't mind putting 100 rupees just to come here and click pictures. Okay, so not an issue. And now I'm going back. So even I couldn't like see this place completely because I'm getting late. I have to go somewhere else right now, and I did not keep minimum time. You at least need more than 1 hour to know about this whole place, the history and all, right? So I'm going, and most of the things are like under maintenance right now, so you're not even able to go inside, and because of that I couldn't see some things which I wanted to. Well, no worries, we live in Goa, we can come some other time as well. So I've reached here near the main gate now. So right here at the entrance there is this spring which is coming. It's a natural spring and they are still preserved it. Not sure if water is still there. Oh, there is no water. Maybe during monsoon water comes, but it said that water comes from the mountains over here. Natural spring, and people actually use it to, like, people actually drink it. Good that they have preserved it. So here is the main gate, and when you are walking like this till the end, you will find that along this other wall they have put such cannons. These cannons are not operationals, okay? They are not operational. They are just simply here. So let's go back now. Even like the time right now is almost 12 o'clock, and उसके वजह से धूप भी बड़ी तेज़ हो गई है. You know, this place is the best for monsoons, because during monsoons the waves are so high that they literally come till here, till this premise. And that area where work is going on, that side, that area gets closed because वहाँ पे बहुत पानी आता है, and people go there to click pictures, but it's risky, so the authorities close it. It's a good thing that they close it, or else God knows what people do to click pictures. So here I have reached now and going back.
एंट्री कार्ड क्या?
So here is our car. So you all saw that I left from the Aguada jail, and now we are here to have lunch. We are on our way back, and we have stopped here to have lunch. I'll just show you all once. So we are in Kandolim right now. मतलब हम लोग जो है वापस कांदोलिम वाले रास्ते से जा रहे हैं. Okay, and that's our car, and we have stopped here at the Amrut Pure Veg restaurant for lunch. And this is how it looks from outside. So let's go inside. So we have already ordered our food. First food we had ordered. So this is how it looks from inside, and that's why we are sitting, क्योंकि वहाँ पे AC बहुत नज़दीक है और हम लोग इतने गर्मी में पागल हो रहे थे. So we came here and we are sitting. So our order is here. We had ordered a veg thali and छाछ, buttermilk, and that's the pickle. So my order has already come. Where's your order?
Order will come now. That we had actually we wanted to have the tandoori roti, but he said tandoori roti is not available. It will take time. So we said better to go for this homemade chapati. So the chapati is there with butter, then this rice, and this is what I think
Dal.
dal. Is chana masala and aloo matar sabji, then papad and pickle, no dessert and all. And thali rate is 220. This is separate charge is separate. So let's see. I'll ask him whether no problem. This is what raita हाँ उनको दिया. Sweet नहीं देते ना थाली में? Sweet नहीं देते. Sweet नहीं देते. They don't give sweet. So he has given me raita. One raita is there.
For sweet, you have to take the special thali.
और स्पेशल था ये एनीवे. सो इतनी धूप में घूमने के बाद रेगुलर घर का ही खाना ठीक है. और चलो फिर हम लोग लंच कर लेते हैं. और आप लोग जो भी डिनर के टाइम पे देख रहे हो वीडियो तो डिनर कर लीजिए. स्नैक्स के टाइम पर स्नैक्स. और कुछ नहीं हो तो हमारा व्लॉग देखते देखते कुछ भी ले लीजिए हाथ में चखना खाना और देखिए एंजॉय कीजिए. तब तक हम लंच करके मिलते हैं आपसे.